Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk and today I'm going to be taking a look at why we believe that you should use a professional when it comes to bringing a back personal injury claim. We'll be looking at what your options are, how using a professional could benefit you, and explain why the majority of people who do bring a back personal injury claim use a professional. If you have any questions, we have a free phone helpline where you can talk to one of our team on a no obligation basis, where they'll aim to get you the help that you need if you've been the victim of negligence. Call now on 0800 652 7676 and one of our team will do their best to assist you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Before we continue on with the video, we want to know if you've ever been involved in an accident. Would you consider using a personal injury solicitor to help pursue compensation? Let us know in the comments below. So, you've been involved in an incident which has resulted in a back personal injury. If the back accident was caused by the negligence of others, it's likely that you are entitled to compensation. So, how do you go about bringing a successful claim? Now, in order for your claim to succeed, you will be required to show that those responsible for your injuries were negligent. If this isn't done properly, there is a chance that you may not get the compensation that you deserve. So, how do you avoid this from happening with your back accident personal injury claim? We believe the best way to ensure your claim is successful is to have a professional with the necessary experience in your corner. Someone who has successfully handled countless cases just like yours and has done a thorough job in producing the evidence needed to prove your claim and get you the compensation you deserve. Other points to consider when bringing a back accident personal injury claim is how time consuming it can be in the wrong hands and the risks of not following the correct procedure. We always aim to have claims settled as soon as possible, but there is an order and time frame to follow, which is particularly important if your case goes to court. If you fail to follow court directions and dates, then your claim could be struck out and you will not only potentially lose your case, but costs may be awarded against you. When a professional deals with your back personal injury claim, they take the workload and worry off your shoulders. This means that you can spend your time focusing on recovering and moving forward from the accident. The reason compensation exists is to help right a wrong by not only giving you compensation for the injury suffered, but also covering any financial losses or extra costs incurred because of the accident. Because of the potentially devastating effects of an accident, it's always vitally important when bringing a back personal injury claim that your claim is not settled for anything less than the full amount you deserve. When a professional looks after your claim, it means that they will be dedicated to fighting on your behalf to ensure that you get the compensation you deserve. They will ensure that all elements you can claim for are included, with evidence needed to support your claim, as well as understanding exactly how to maximise your compensation. They will have the skills to get the best outcome for you. Having a professional handle your back personal injury claim will mean that your claim is going to be looked after by someone whose job it is to fight for you, their client. They should have an excellent knowledge of personal injury law and will have no doubt have been successful in securing compensation for countless others just like you. Now, unlike so many other professions, many personal injury claims specialists operate on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that you can get a professional working on your back personal injury case right away without paying a penny up front. And the best part, here at legalexpert.co.uk, we offer free, friendly advice on a no-win, no-fee compensation claims. So there's not a penny to pay if you lose, as long as you've been honest with us and cooperate. So get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. As long as another solicitor is not already looking after your claim, we can talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. If you do decide to bring a claim through us, we'll do all we can to ensure that your claim is successful. And the best part is that there's absolutely nothing to lose, as if we do take on your claim, it'll be on a no-win, no-fee basis, meaning there's no upfront costs as long as you're honest in your account of how the accident occurred and cooperate with us. If your claim isn't successful, there won't be a penny to pay. Call now on 0800 652 7676 and one of our team will do all they can to assist you. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your incident with you in order to help you establish whether or not we believe you have a claim. As long as you're honest with them in regards to the details of the claim and cooperate, if for whatever reason your claim wasn't successful, their services won't cost you anything. Our team may be able to discuss back injury compensation payouts UK, spinal injury compensation payouts UK, average payout for back injury at work UK, back injury compensation calculator, typical payouts for personal injury UK, list of compensation payouts, average compensation for back injury car accidents, and how much is the average settlement for a back injury. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. Or you can check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice on our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis for your personal injury claim.